Good evening, doctors. Warm welcome for the inauguration ceremony of Trendo 2020. Trendo 2020 is the 8th annual conference of the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. This year, Trendo 2020 will be held as an virtual face-to-face in the view of COVID-19 pandemic from December 4 to December 6, 2020. I welcome the patrons of ESTN, Professor A.K. Das, Senior Endocrinologist from Pondicherry, who is present here. Welcome, sir. Dr. S. Murthy and Dr. P.G. Sundaraman present virtually for this session. Welcome, sir. I welcome Dr. Krishna Seshabri, President of ESTN and the Organizing Chairman of Trendo 2020. Welcome, sir. I welcome the President-elect, Dr. Thomas Paul, for this session. I also welcome the Vice Presidents, Dr. Sriram Mahadevan and Dr. Suresh Damodaran for the conference. I invite Dr. Muthukumaran Jayapal, the Secretary of ESTN and the members of the organizing team for Trendo 2020. Once again, I welcome you one and all. Now I request Dr. A.K. Das, the Honorable Patron and our organizing team to light the Kuthuvelakku, followed by the prayer song. Praise. Now I request Dr. Krishna Seshabri, the President of ESTN and the Organizing Chairman of Trendo 2020, to give us a few words on this session.
Good evening, everyone. Light a lamp. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Take away from darkness to light. Very interestingly, one of the invocations for a lamp says, Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir. What light does is, it changes the attitude of someone who is against. That is the power of knowledge. It is the power of knowledge and the sense of sharing and the need to network, to be together, learn from each other, to collaborate and grow together, that the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu is doing. I remember very well the discussion that we had in Bangalore, phone call to Dr. Kannan, the discussions with Dr. Murthy and Dr. Sundaraman, and then creating this particular If you look at the backgrounds, you will find the very, very column-like icon of Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu. Zoom in closely, you can see the organs there, the pituitary, the parathyroid, the adrenal, the pancreas, and the thyroid. But underneath that is the guiding principle of the Endocrine Society of Tamil Nadu. Tottanai Thurum Manarkeni Mandarkku Kattanai Thurum Arivu. Meaning that the more we learn, the more we share, the more we impart knowledge to other people without reserve, without holding back, the more we grow. And that is what we have done from a very small organization. We are now a brand. We are somebody that India and this part of the world looks forward to amazing science and great conferences. Well, everyone talks about the bad parts of the lockdown. The good part of it is normally we will not be able to afford to bring together so many wonderful international speakers. And here we are having so many international speakers under the banner of Trendo this year. The team at Pondicherry, Puducherry has taken the lead with Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, Dr. Satish Kamalanathan, Dr. Deenabandhu Naik, Dr. Jayaprakash Sahu. And I think our own Karthik from Chennai is almost a Pondicherrian in his heart. So they have put this together, and this would not have been possible without their work. And of course, the anchor, the person who says less, but pretty much, controls all our lives is Muthukumaran Jayapal, and he is the glow behind the head. And with the help of our patrons, our youngsters, this society is growing from strength to strength. I will tomorrow, in my last talk to the society as its president, will try to outline some of our challenges and where we will go forward. But what is clear is one thing, that in this time of transition, in this time of pandemic, in this time of disinformation, in this time of pseudoscience, in this time of threats to our profession, it is almost important for us to stay together, to learn together, to grow together, and be together. I think ESTN and Trendo is a message of togetherness. And I hope that this remains a theme of this conference, of growing together and taking part in that infinite lake of wisdom that Tirukkural and our motto. Vaழிய செந்தமிழ் வாழ்க நற்றமிழர் வாழிய பாரத மணித்திருநாடு வந்தே மாதர். Thank you.